Hey, this is Dr. MEENA Singh. I'm a dermatologist and dermatologic surgeon here in Kansas City. I practice in Shawnee and Leawood. I originally did my medical school at Harvard, and then I did my training at Mayo Clinic for dermatology. I did a surgical fellowship with the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery, and it also included a procedural fellowship with Mohs micrographic surgery and cosmetics as well. The reason I became a dermatologist in the first place is because I was very interested in doing primarily skin of color. Because I'm a Black dermatologist myself, there are very few of us. We only comprise about 2% of all dermatologists, period. And so we definitely need more of us out there. And in doing my studies, I found that Black women in particular sought out dermatologists mainly for hair loss, as well as pigmentation disorders. And so I did a secondary fellowship on hair, and that's how I got into hair transplant as well. So currently, my expertise are in hair loss, hair transplant and restoration, as well as skin of color. So Black privilege in my mind means that we're thriving and we're succeeding and we're holding our own and we're developing a place in the world for ourselves and just doing our best without anyone holding us back.